What's up everybody, it's Anan here from Racco Mode, and today I'm going to teach you how to upload a Visual Studio project directly onto GitHub directly from Visual Studio. So it's very simple. First click File and then Add to Source Control. Click Save. Once the project has been added to Source Control, go to Team Explorer and then go to Sync. In Publish to GitHub option, when you are first using this feature, click Sign In. Add in your details and click Sign In. So I'm using a test account. And I'll click Sign In. So my account was successfully logged in, and I'll make this repository a private repository, and then I'll click Publish. Once I click Publish, I have to be patient and wait for it to sync with GitHub. Now I have to check in my GitHub account if this repository was actually created. So I'll go to my repositories and as we can see, a test repository is created, but as we can see that currently there is only git attributes and git ignore, and there is no code to be found. So what you have to do is go to Visual Studio, go back from here, go to Changes, and now you have to commit the changes that you have actually made. So make a comment, first commit, and then click Commit Staged. Once the changes are committed, click Sync and then click Sync and wait for these changes to take effect. Now these changes are successfully synchronized. Go to your GitHub and check the repository. As you can see that the test project of this Visual Studio, this test project, is now on GitHub, and all the code can be found right here. So what if we want to make changes to this code and then we want to publish those changes? So let's say I want to change this hello world to just hello, right? So to make these changes, I have to go onto this main onto home, and then I have to click changes. Then as this is the second commit, I'll type second commit. You can type anything over here, and then you have to commit the changes. So the changes are on this source.cpp file. I'll click save. Once the changes are committed, I have to sync them. And now we have to wait for these changes to take effect. So now they are successfully synchronized. Now I'll open my GitHub account, and as you can see, the second commit was made 25 seconds ago. I'll open just to check, and we can see that the hello world is now just hello. So that's a very simple method to publish or upload your Visual Studio projects directly to GitHub, directly from Visual Studio. Thank you for watching. This was Anan from Racco Mode, and please like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.